gotta work this backwards from reverse. It's over there, right?
Yes.
Hey, look at that. God, I'm not driving a fucking 6-plug.
Yeah.
That's so much smoother than the cam. Oh, except for that. All right, guys, welcome back to the channel. I am in Rick's. No, you have a channel now, don't you?
I do.
What is this?
Dubblekickrick. It's
All
D-U-B-B-L-E Kick Rick.
Dubblekickrick with his C6 Z06. Why don't you tell the people what you've got done to this thing?
Well, so far, asterisk, we have Texas speed heads that are 260 cc's. We have, I'm trying to think, it's a custom grind cam from Chris Henry, C. Henry Motorsports. Long tube headers that are Cooks, 1 set of 8s, Catalyst X pipe, tune, and soon to be either a atomic or MSD atomic or probably a fast 103 for the intake, and a Ram. Forgot about that. Can't forget the Ram.
Can't forget the Ram.
Yeah,
it's fast, guys.
Yeah,
it's fast.
It's about 687 at the flywheel and about 560 at the rear tire.
And a car that weighs 30.
Well, right now it probably weighs like 3,500 without saying it.
Yeah. Pretty much around the Neon. It's pretty close to the Neon, isn't it? The Neon's about 2,900. This is probably $3 grand or 3,100 or something.
Yeah. I think it's like 3085 or 30, something low like that.
You may have seen, for those who follow my channel for a while, me racing this car with the Hellcat and getting walked like a little bitch.
I didn't have the hits.
And he didn't have a lot of that work done either.
Yeah. They already knew we were coming. Quarantine zone, guys.
Anyway, so before he did a lot of that work, what did you have done to it back then when you raced mine?
That was just the heads, the Texas speed heads, the Chris Henry tune, and a Ram.
Yeah, there wasn't a whole lot.
It was a completely stock exhaust. Nothing changed on that. Now it's full exhaust and everything else.
And I've felt the difference in every single stage that he's done. It's just,
it's stupid.
It is stupid. It's neck-breaking torque.
The way they respond to this engine response to mods is
and plus being completely NA.
Yeah.
You're driving it and you're like, there's no way this thing doesn't have force induction somewhere.
Mm-hmm.
Especially the way that it drives.
Yeah.
And yeah, it's crazy. Probably the fastest NA car I've been in. I can probably say that.
Yeah.
From what I gather. Anyway, so he's gonna let me bang a couple gears in it. Figure it'd be fun to video it for you guys. So we're pulling up to my special area now. So we'll give it a shot. Is first worth a shit, or just go ahead and roll from second or something?
You can start in third, just kind of hold it and mat it.
Start in third?
First.
Oh, first.
Yeah,
okay.
Yeah. Just hold it. Get it up to about like 25 or 30, and just mat it.
In first?
Yeah.
All right, here we go, guys.
It's got the traction, but you'll feel that thing I'm talking about.
You ready?
Yeah.
It's not too often you get to sit in the passenger seat, do you?
No, I don't sit it very much.
All right, I'll try not to break it.
That's all right.
Holy shit. God. Even in third, it was still
sideways.
It was still getting sideways.
Yeah.
With drag radials. No, you have. Yeah, what do you have on the back?
335, 35, 17 Hoosiers.
Say that again for the people.
335, 35, 17 Hoosiers.
335s. Spinning 335 Hoosiers.
Yeah.
Well, that was fun.
And they're wore in too, so I mean, it's not like they're new or anything. So
yeah.
they're pretty much Velcro right now.
Jeez. And it's still a handful. But it has its composure, though.
Yeah.
Even though I could feel it getting squirrely, it didn't really...
It didn't want to get away from you.
It didn't really want to get away from me. It's just saying, hey, I'm getting squirrely back here.
Yeah. Yeah, you can just do it, like roll into it first, like I said, just drive to about 30 miles an hour and just mat it. And that's where it's fun.
Okay, I'll try that this time.
But do you feel that lag thing I'm talking about?
I'll pay attention to it this time.
Yeah, just when it gets to about 3,500. Go for it, turn the AC off and everything.
Oh, I got my speed in the hood. I wasn't even looking at the HUD. I was looking here. Okay.
Yeah. I put it in first.
Yeah, I'm gonna just get out of this shitty area here.
Oh yeah, true. Mexico roads suck.
Yeah. At about 30.
Yeah, just 30. Yeah, get up to about 25.
How high does first gear go?
60.
60. Okay.
Yeah. So just go up to about 25, 30. Just mad.
Oh my god. This shit's nuts. How the fuck do you drive this thing? Oh shit. God, 110, 115.
It feels faster sitting over here than it does over there.
This thing's scary.
It is, isn't
This
it?
thing's fucking scary. I'm sorry.
That's
because
why
I wasn't even at the right shift point in third, and you can just mat it, and it's just like still puts you back.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Yeah, that's nuts.
That's crazy, yeah. I don't get it, but yeah,
there's probably sheer terror in when I look back at this video. When I'm just trying to feather it getting into third, and it still goes.
Yeah, just don't worry about the watts, because it'll kill like if you step on it, it'll cut fuel.
If I step on it?
Like, I mean, if you miss a gear or over rev.
Oh yeah, I wasn't.
It'll cut fuel, so you don't have to worry about it.
You kidding me? I don't want to fucking watch shift it. Fuck, I can't even keep it on the road. I can't even keep it on the road normal shifting. If I watt it, I'll be over there in the damn bushes. Dang. All right.
If you wanted to launch it for real, put it at $3,000. Put it at $3,000 and then just kind of.
Yeah. All right, I'll try that. $3,000, really?
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
All right, here we go, guys.
And it's gonna it'll stick.
Kind of. That shit's sketchy as fuck. That's why your name's Sketchy Vet, right?
Yeah. On Instagram, my name is Sketchy Vet because it is very sketchy.
Yeah, I'm good. I'm good. I think I'm good. I'm gonna go back to my little neon.
It's like no matter where you are, there's torque.
There's just tons of torque. That's what's crazy about it. Just you think I just easily shifted into third, and I'm just gonna hit it, and it's gonna slowly hit this power band. No. The minute you get back into it, it's just like full balls out. It's just that's what's so cool about this car being just having that big 7-liter and that just torque, that instant torque wherever you are.
Yeah. It sucks
cool.
a little under 2, but after you get past $2,000, it's just like if you could get it. It's not. What's causing the wheel spin is that thing I'm telling you about, because it's like it like opens up.
Yeah, it does.
Like, just watch it.
I'm just gonna do it easy. Right there.
Yeah.
Even just early shifting into fourth.
Doing it was 120.
Doesn't matter. The gears don't matter in this thing.
Yeah.
They really don't.
It's wild.
Well, thank you, sir.
Yes, sir.
That was fun. All right, guys. Well, go check out his channel. He's gonna have some more on this vet.
Working on it.
Working on it. So yeah, if you want to go check it out, I'm gonna pull over here and we'll do kind of like a once around. Oh, I'm in 6th gear. Too many gears for these neon guys. I don't know. I think I need to be in overdrive, but we're only at like 1,200 RPM here. But I'll get out. We'll do kind of a little once around and show it to you guys because it's, of course, it's sexy and red. I like the neon, so we'll check it out here in a sec. All right, so here we go, guys, at the favorite spot for walk-arounds and pictures. And what year is this, Rick?
2009.
So it's an 09 C6 Z06, and it was tuned by Chris Henry and built, I guess, by Chris Henry, I guess, right?
Oh yeah.
Everything, yeah. So, and where is he in Florida?
He's just north of Wesley Chapel.
North of Wesley Chapel. So it's what, about an hour and a half, hour 45 from here?
Yeah, somewhere around there. Definitely worth the drive.
Yeah, I've seen a lot of his projects come out pretty awesome. So shout out to him. But again, check out this car at dubblekickrick, and you spell it
with like bubble.
like bubble with a D. There he is. Go check them out. All right, guys. Well, thanks for checking out Double Kick Rick's C6 Z06 with me. It's an absolute beast. It's scary and fun all at the same time. Is there a plan to maybe get some different tires can you get more traction out of this thing? Yeah. Like with different tire setup?
Yeah, I'm gonna get eventually a 15-inch conversion for the rear and get some real meat under there.
Okay, so the 15-inch conversion is what you need to do. Okay,
that's the ultimate goal.
Okay, so I've heard about that. Yeah, a lot of people do the 15-inch conversion. So it definitely needs it because it's just got an insane amount of torque anywhere in the power band. So I know it's a little bit different than what I normally do on the channel, guys, but I figure if you follow my channel, you're enthusiast through and through, and there's nothing more Americana than a good old Corvette. So, and of course, you know, iconic C6 Z06. It's the holy grail for a lot of people. So, anyway, yeah, the unicorn. There, I see why now, because I mean, in the grand scheme of things, the type of mods, I mean, to get that much performance out of it is just unreal. So anyway, guys, thanks for checking it out. If you liked the video, leave a like, subscribe if you haven't already. I'll catch you guys on the next one. See ya.
Hell yes.